Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to share my favorite ways to wrap my hair. And if you're home right now, you're staying safe, this is the perfect time to up your head wrap game, and I got you, sis. This first one I'm going to call Simply Slay, just because it's so easy to do and it's my favorite go-to style. The second one is another beautiful way to wrap your hair, super easy as well. To be honest, all of these styles are extremely easy to do, and look at the color of this wrap. Oh, it is so beautiful. I am going to call this style Be Humble because I find that it's such a low-key way to wrap your hair, but yet it's still very elegant and beautiful. It's actually hard to be humble in this one. Moving on to the third style, the name of the style is inspired by the color of the wrap. Again, another beautiful wrap. I'm going to call this style Golden. Super easy to do once again. And really when it comes to wrapping your hair, it's just a matter of rolling and tucking the ends. That's all you have to do. By the way, all the wraps in this video are a courtesy of Killer Crowns. I will put the link in the description box if you are interested in some quality yet beautiful head wraps. The fourth style is called Queen because it's bold, it's unapologetically loud, it's beautiful. One of my favorite styles to do. The bigger the head wrap, the more I like it. I find that these styles really suit my face. So, yeah. This last style, I'm calling it All Day because it's so easy to honestly put on a head wrap, tie it into a knot in the front. If you have a virtual meeting coming up that you forgot about, this is the style for you. So easy to do and yet so beautiful. Let me know down below which style was your favorite. Don't forget to check out Killer Crowns for your hair wrap needs. And I'll see you in the next one. On your way out, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and also hit the bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. On that note, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.